Creating your own affiliate products. It's a simple, very logical concept. If you can make big money as an affiliate, how big could your revenue stream be if you were the producer of the product instead? You know that as an affiliate you make X% of each product sold. Let's say you're earning a commission of say 50%. That means that you are not making 50% of the revenue generated from that sale. Someone is making just as much as you are. Now yes, we'll give you this one point that someone is also paying the expenses of development and production and other overhead, but you can bet they've set their price at well above expenses. To be clear, we are not recommending that you endeavor to create your own products rather than become an affiliate. What we are recommending is that after you have established your business as an effective internet marketer, that you then leverage your influence to promote products of your own and cash in by netting the biggest part of your sales. Let's talk a bit about how this can be done. Those affiliate product producers or developers you have been selling for may well be affiliate big dogs themselves. If that is the case, and your sales have been substantial for them, they will most likely be open to the idea of a joint venture or becoming an affiliate reseller of yours. The back-end sales effect. What this private product creation strategy relies on is your having already established a foothold in the market, inside your niche. You've done this by employing the strategies outlined in this book, by creating product-focused websites and then linking them together with the parent site, which captures the rest of the general internet traffic looking for your niche content. And now that you have everyone's attention, you can use it to upsell your returning visitors to your own products. What might you sell? Much like the freeware products that boosted your traffic, you need to sell something that correlates with what you've been selling all along. But you do need to realize that your buyers will not go back in time. You can't just sell them on something simpler that they might have bought before, you have to sell them on something that serves them in their next phase of life, or that enhances that which they've already bought. Generally speaking, this will be something that is digitally generated. For instance, if you previously sold bodybuilding supplements, your next product might be an eBook or bodybuilding program that the buyer follows to make those big muscle gains. If it's the crunch time workout video, maybe the product that you build is a nutritional plan or for the time-impaired. It is worth noting, too, while we have this conversation, that you can harness the power of back-end, as in dedicated, trusting, return buyers, sales with other affiliate products as well. For instance, supposing you decide that being a product developer is just not for you, you can group and upsell complementary products. Likewise, you can also reverse the strategy a bit so that you are first selling your product in ebook or something similarly easy to create and then upsell an affiliate product. But no matter how you decide to go about this, remember that it is all based on your established sales foundation. Becoming a big dog affiliate is still your first order of business, then.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.